Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable motion smoothing or motion enhancement or motion processing, or as it's also commonly called soap opera effect on your XIAOMI F Pro TV. So first of all, from the home screen of your F Pro TV, navigate to the gear icon, then go to display and audio tile, then select picture settings, then select your input. For example, in my case, I'm gonna select my PlayStation input, which is connected to HDMI. And after that, on the sidebar that you see on the screen, navigate to advanced settings, then navigate to motion processing option and switch it off by selecting the respective option right here. And then just exit this menu and this effect will be turned off. However, if you want to do the same thing for this apps and settings menu, so the main screen of your TV, you're gonna have to turn on some kind of media on your TV. So for example, let me turn on a YouTube video. Just give me a moment to do so. Okay, so I just turned on some YouTube video, and now hold in order to disable motion processing for this input, you're gonna have to hold down the home button on your remote control until you see the sidebar here, then go to picture, and right now navigate to advanced settings, navigate to motion processing, and once again switch it off. Oh, it actually is, this input is actually called apps and videos, not apps and settings. So and this way you will turn off your soap opera effect on XIAOMI F Pro TV. And so that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.